So hey viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are sharing some Christmas party decoration ideas at home. So before starting the video, who are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest and trendy updated videos. So let's begin the video. Today's video is totally helpful and useful for you because we are sharing a lot of ideas related to Christmas party decorations. Here are a lot of ideas. You can make such kind of backgrounds, add Merry Christmas balloons and do some kind of decoration. You can also do red and white decoration that will be attractive. You can add lightning and even Christmas balls. These will be attractive. You can also decor your Christmas tree, add such kind of crafts that will be attractive. And guys, hope you like the video. If you like, kindly subscribe and take the screenshot of that idea that you like the most. And even you can also download this video, so whenever you will be free, you can go to your offline videos, watch the video till end and select the idea that you like the most. And guys, please subscribe for more.